What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're having an amazing week. In today's video, as you read the title, I'm going to show you how to read market structure. So if you're interested in this topic, make sure to stick till the end to get the most value out of this video. But before we start, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to not miss out on future uploads, and feel free to share and like the video. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. Also, feel free to join my free signal group on Telegram. It's literally for free. I send there daily signals. All you have to do to join is click the link down below. And if you want to learn my strategies or book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that by DMing me privately on Telegram. You'll have my Telegram username link down below as well. So let's get straight into the video. So months ago, I did a market structure video that was pretty popular. A lot of people liked it. But still, I do get a lot of messages from new people that join our community, that message me privately asking me how they can read market structure, if there's an indicator that could help them read market structure better, or if I can make a video about it. And I decided, you know what, let's just make another video to try to explain it even better, so that everyone can understand and not rely on any indicators to use to read market structure, because ultimately if you don't know how to read market structure, it's literally like driving a car without knowing how the steering wheel really works. It's something close to that. So it's very crucial for you to understand market structure and to know how to read it. Okay, and in this video, this is exactly what I'm gonna explain as clear as possible. So a very easy method you can try to use is enabling the line chart, and on the line chart just follow the price and just follow the major structures, okay, the major pushes and to the up or downside, and mark them down as higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, or lower highs. Okay, so something like this is something that we don't count. Okay, this is micro structure. We only care about the macro structure. Okay, I'm just going to use the H4 as an example. You can literally read market structure on any time frame, even on the 1 minute. Okay, so let's just start off by reading the structure from here. Okay, so we have a higher low right here that created a swing high right here that then broke the higher low right here. Okay, so we have a higher low here. Okay, we have a higher high here. Then we created a lower low. Why? Because we broke the structure. We broke the previous higher low, so that's why we switched bearish. Okay, we have a BOS right here. And the reason I enabled the line chart is because I haven't told you about this trick in the last video, and this can actually be helpful because it will eliminate a lot of noise, whereas if you use the candlestick chart, it's going to be a bit more hard for you to read market structure. And then from here, all you need to do is just follow. So from here, we created a also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. Lower high that then created a lower low. Okay, let's just quickly mark the structure. Okay, so we have lower high right here. Okay, and then we created a new lower low right here. Let's just clone it for the sake of it and place this one right here as well. We created a new lower low. Why? Because we broke this previous lower low. But then from here, we broke the previous lower high, creating a higher high. Okay, So we created a higher high right here, but then we did what? We broke the previous higher low, because this lower low became a higher low. After this lower high was broken, we created a new higher high. So this lower low transformed into a higher low. Okay, but then we broke this higher low right here, creating a new lower low. That means that this swing high right here becomes a lower high, and we have a lower low right here. So we are bearish again. Now let's move forward. We have a lower high that then created a lower low, that then created a lower high, that now created a lower low. Okay, so you can see, guys, it's very simple to read if we use the line chart. Okay, so if you find it difficult to read market structure on the candlestick chart, just switch to the line chart for a bit till you identify the structure, and then go back to the normal candlestick chart. Okay, me personally, I just view the market structure, I just read it directly from the candlestick chart. But at first, if you find it difficult, please enable the line chart till you are done with the market structure, and trust me, it's going to be a lot more easier for you, because as I said, we are only here to look for the main points. Okay, I don't care about this structure right here. I don't care about this structure right here. I don't care about it. Why? Because if I zoom in closely, it's literally noise. Why? Because it created a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is literally a double bottom that then created a higher high. And if I would have considered that this lower high was broken, I would have been like, okay, now that this lower high was broken, I am now in an uptrend. But then guess what happened? This became a lower high and we created a lower low. Okay, so we are here for the main structure. Okay, so now, as I literally showed you step by step how you can easily read market structure, I'm just going to enable the candlestick chart, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. Okay, so check this out. Literally very simple to see. Higher high, BOS, higher low, lower high, because I mean this was a higher high but it became a lower high. Why? It became a lower high because we broke this low right here, this higher low, creating a new lower low here. Then we created a new lower high here that created a new lower low. We created a new lower high, and then we created a new lower low. Okay, so now let's just delete all these drawings, and I'm going to show you how you can read market structure without using the line chart. Okay, if you become a bit more advanced after you use the line chart for a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, it's totally up to you. It's not a shame to use the line chart to determine market structure. What I like to do is, when I consider if I have a solid retracement, meaning a lower high or a higher low, I need to see at least three considerably big candles in that direction. Because if I see only one bullish candle in a downtrend as a retracement, and then I see a lower low, I do not take this as my lower high. I just take this as a major push to the downside without a retracement, and wait for a more visible structure. Okay, so what I want to say is that you want to look for visible structure. You don't want to look for a one candlestick retracement. Okay, that's why using the line chart can be helpful, because using the line chart can save you from let's say, let me find an example. Look, from structures like this one right here, look, you could say that, oh yes, I created a lower high right here because it's a retracement, and then from this lower high I created a lower low right here because it slightly broke my previous lower low. Okay, it slightly broke this previous lower low, and you can say, oh, this is my range, but then look what happened. This range got totally disrespected. Why? Because this wasn't a solid retracement. When I look for market structure, I really like to look for visible pullbacks and visible pushes to the up or downside, like this one right here. Okay, yes, this is a solid retracement. We have multiple red candles before this massive up push. Then this ultimately is my higher low. This ultimately is my higher high. Okay, here again, this is ultimately my lower high. This is my lower low. This is clearly my lower high right here. Okay, let's just mark this down. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. Okay, this is it. I like to keep it very clear. Okay, I like to keep it very clear. Also, the I think the Heikin-Ashi candles can help as well. I'm not sure. uh yeah, they kind of do help a bit. You could use Heikin-Ashi as well if you want to, but me personally, at first when I started reading market structure, I used the line chart for a bit to kind of get the hang of it, to cut the noise that these candles were giving me. And then in time, when it became very easy for me to do it, I switched to the candlestick charts, and I just read it without using the line chart anymore, like this. Okay, because ultimately it's very easy to read. You only have to watch out for the visible structure and the big moves. Okay, you don't watch for small retracements, small pushes, very small break of structures. No, none of that. You're here to watch out for the very clear moves like these ones right here. Okay, and ultimately we are in a downtrend. Okay, this being our previous lower high, this being our previous lower low. Okay, so now we know that we are in a downtrend. Why? Because we know how to read market structure, guys. Okay, so please, please, please try to understand this. Try to go on your watchlist charts, backtest this, and please try to get the hang of it, because as I said, it's really hard to trade without knowing how to read market structure. Okay, because this ultimately tells you, okay, is the market heading downwards or is the market heading upwards? And if you know that you're in a bearish trend, then you already have a edge on the market. You already know that, okay, we are dumping, we are heading downwards, then I should look for more sells than buys. Okay, so now you already have an edge. Then you come in with your strategy, risk management, trading plan, and so on, that can achieve you profitability. Okay, so please try to get the hang of market structure as fast as possible. It's not a shame if you don't know how to read it now. You already know what to do. Okay, like literally I explained everything that I did personally to get the hang of market structure. You can do the same. It's very simple. All you have to do is put in the time, the practice, and you'll see that it will get easier and easier. The more you train, the easier it will get. Okay, so yeah, guys, I think this is pretty much it for the video. I really wanted to keep it very simple without giving too many examples for you guys to really understand what I'm talking about. And then in the future, I will probably do some more market structure strategies that will be more advanced. Okay, but till then, please make sure to finally start understanding what market structure is and how to properly read it. And yeah, I wish you all the best. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, if you have questions, please drop them down below. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.